Can you imagine being forced to sell your investments at a loss? So in this video, I'll talk about the 3 things you must do first to prevent yourself from being caught in that situation. So the first thing you must do first before even you think about investing is to insure yourself. Get yourself at least an integrated shield plan first, because you don't want to be forced to sell your investments just to pay your medical bills if something unfortunate happens to you. The next thing you must do is to set aside 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses for your emergency fund. This is so that in the event you lose your job, you have 3 to 6 months to find another job and you don't have to sell your investments just for that extra cash flow. Lastly, you want to make sure that you have consistent income coming in and also to have your income higher than your expenses. Now, if your expenses are at the minimum already and you cannot afford to save a single cent, you should work on increasing your income first. But if you know that your income is pretty okay, yet you are not saving as much as you would like because you are spending excessively or impulsively, you may want to look into this strategy called pay yourself first. So in summary, the 3 things you need to do first before you invest is to insure yourself, set up an emergency fund, and to ensure that you have a stream of positive cash flow.